KATC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Begin by thanking all our veterans here in Acadiana that signed up to be part of the military and serve this great country. We even had a few peaks of sunshine, warming temperatures into the mid-60s today, but you can already begin to see those showers pushing out of East Texas, making their way in the portions of Louisiana. Also have this showers down around the Gulf. That is what eventually is going to move over Acadiana later tonight, bring us the first round of showers. Then you can see our front that's beginning to now push down into the middle of the Great Plains, bringing some snow showers back through portions of Kansas. So that's where our cold air is, and that will spill down late tomorrow and into Tuesday, bringing with it the very frigid temperatures heading into Wednesday morning. Taking a closer look across the Pelican State today, we did have a few light showers push through northern portions of Acadiana around 11, 12 o'clock this afternoon, but now that is all pretty much moved off. Still do have a few light showers, but the heaviest rains have stayed pretty much north of Alexandria and south of Shreveport and Monroe, and that's where we're expecting the heaviest rains to stay through the rest of this evening. But as I mentioned, we will continue to see some rain move off the Gulf and push over Acadiana a little later on. But right now we just have some light showers pushing through Evangeline Parish, just moved through Ville Platte, also Opelousas. You saw a little bit of the showers about 15-20 minutes ago. It's now lifting into northern portions of St. Landry Parish. We also have one little wave of showers that's getting ready to push through, but most of this is fairly light, and it's going to be hit or miss activity for the next couple hours. So here's the future model showing us most of us will remain dry through a good portion of the evening. Here's midnight, still not really seeing much rain developing across Acadiana, but we're going to be watching the Gulf as we could start to see some of those showers developing and pushing across the area heading into tomorrow morning. So the newest model update is being a little bit more aggressive with the rain now, pushing a good amount of rain right around 7 o'clock in the morning into a good portion of Acadiana. Again, heavier rains, Alexandria on northward, so if you're heading north tomorrow, you might run into those showers. And then we're going to continue to have hit or miss showers through the rest of the day. So here's what we got. Warm front lifting up to the north. That's what's going to bring us the first wave of some scattered showers, even a few thunderstorms, especially down towards some of our coastal parishes. They'll have the better chance of maybe hearing some rumbles of thunder heading through the overnight hours as that warm front lifts up into the area. Could produce enough instability to maybe even have a low and severe weather threat with some of those showers. This model, though, is kind of backed off on the rain, but I wouldn't be surprised, as we saw with the other model, if we're waking up to at least some scattered showers in and around a good portion of Acadiana. Then during the afternoon, we're watching the cold front moving through, and again, the model's backed off on the rain. But with this front, I wouldn't be surprised if we have a decent line of showers, even a few thunderstorms working through Acadiana during the late morning into the early afternoon. As you can see, not showing a whole lot, but I wouldn't be surprised if we do see some. Then lingering showers overrunning the front into early Tuesday morning and Tuesday afternoon. Still going to be a raw, windy, cold day. Highs mid-40s, only feeling like the upper 30s throughout most of the day. So rainfall totals through the rest of this evening into our Monday. Latest RPM not showing a whole lot, maybe just a half to an inch of rain. But as we take a look at the GFS, it's still going with that 1 to 2 inches. So that's what I would expect, 1 to 2 inches of rain throughout most of the day on Monday. As mentioned, a very low and severe weather threat, although it has been shifted a little farther northward up to about the Ville Platte area. Mainly damaging wind gusts and maybe some small to medium-sized hail possible if we do get some of those warmer cores to move over Acadiana. So temperatures waking up tomorrow morning in the mid to upper 50s with some scattered showers around during the first half of the day. During the afternoon, temperatures top out in the mid-60s, although it will be cooler to the north and could get into the lower 70s down towards Morgan City before the front then sweeps through, and you see the frigid temperatures moving in by Tuesday, starting off in the mid to low 40s and then not really moving a whole lot. And as mentioned, with the windy conditions, it'll only feel like the 30s, so get the hats and gloves ready by Tuesday. For the rest of this evening, we'll call it clouds thickening, 53, with rain beginning to really thicken during the overnight, and then tomorrow just on again, off again showers. A few strong to severe, 1 to 3 inches looks like a good bet. And then turning cold Tuesday into Wednesday with the possibility for some light freezes both Wednesday and Thursday morning. Frost will be a good bet, so sensitive vegetation will need to be covered both Wednesday and Thursday morning. Then gradually beginning to warm up with lots of sunshine into next weekend as temperatures get back into the 60s.